All right, so everyone I know has this problem. I just wanted to share a solution. The hydraulic connectors, when you put them in, there's always one or two of them that just won't go on. No matter how hard you try, it's just the most annoying thing, and I want to show you a fix to that. Okay? So right now, no matter what I do, this thing is not going to go on. So, I'll be right back. Let me show you something. Okay, if you don't know, when you disconnect these lines the first time, you're supposed to release the pressure. So you turn off the engine and you cycle the controls around in order to relieve the pressure, and that makes things go on and off pretty easy. But sometimes what happens is that one of your lines, this one right here, didn't get the pressure taken out of it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna knock the pressure out. So what I normally do is it's gonna squirt as you push up against here, and that pin should be moving. That pin's not moving at all, no matter how hard I push, which means it's not gonna go in. All right, so what I'll do is I'll tap on it. Now it's gonna squirt when it comes out. So it's always crucial for you to get all the pressure out. But see all that right there? That was all pressure building up. Hopefully that was enough to all right, it's not moving, so I'm gonna do that again. Now you don't want to do this because you don't want to mess up your connector, but if you have no choice, this is what you do. See all that spraying? Still not moving. Look at that, all that pressure. Okay, made a mess. There it is. I obviously didn't do my job the last time and get all the pressure out. So now she should go in. See, she just went right in. You don't want to do this, but sometimes you just have to. So, all right. So if this helped you out, subscribe to the channel. I have a whole bunch of tricks and stuff like this on this John Deere, but there you go. I hope this helped.